up mga kasolid? Yes, it's another motovlogging afternoon today. And you might ask why already halfway? Kasi nakalimutan ni Kuya na i-on yung kanyang camera. Medyo tanga. Anyway, yeah, I'm using SJ6 Legend by the way. So anyway, today our vlog is very short. I'll be showing to you in the later part the process how this motorbike or this Mio Soul I-125 became really clean. Yes, really clean. Kasi pinag-carwash ko siya pero hindi gaano kamahal. So, wait for that part actually. So, medyo traffic tayo ngayon, no? So, yun. Naka-pass by tayo sa, sa Park Mall and CICC and you saw there were a lot of roadworks because the city government actually really wants to, how to say, improve this part due to increased volume of traffic. Uy! My Grab! Oy! What's up, Grab? Anyway, hindi ako narinig. Right, so I think medyo I need to study this, right? Because last time I was actually one of the Grab delivery partners for Grab Food and Grab Express way back. When was that? Around October of last year. Yeah, it's because I needed extra income. Bakit? Kasi I was just married in June and we only had like 6 months of preparation for that marriage. Yes, so medyo kailangan natin ng malaking pera. So, yun. Nagpunta kay Grab at nagbabakasakaling nabubulol ako. May chance na pumasa. Luckily, yes, yun, pumasa naman. Anyway, I think it's really traffic today because I think there's a religious groups event, or is it today? I'm not sure. So I would be ending this vlog soon and I want you all guys to ride safe. Always remember, follow traffic rules and wag maging kamote sa daan. Alright, goodbye guys, have a nice day. Mga kasolid, kita nyo naman ang dumi-dumi ng sasakyan ito. Motor ba to o kalabaw? Kasi for the past few days, medyo umulan. Kaya for today, this dude is due for some washing. So, paano ka makamura? Pues, kailangan mo ng sachet ng Joy. Tapos, 10 piso. Tig 25 piso at isang tabong tubig. Yan lang po. Less than 20.